guys, I got this product to review. Look at how great this is displayed. This can be given as a great Christmas present, birthday present, but let's open it up. So this beautiful decorative waterproof resin tray can be used for so many options. This can be used on your kitchen table. This can be used on your coffee table. Wherever you just want to add a little bit of extra to your house, this is a great option. It is very durable. It's beautifully made. The edges are nice and smooth, and this can be added to any room. You can decorate it up for all seasons with some beautiful little plants. You can use it in the kitchen with maybe a little plant for your coffee mug. Maybe your TV's in the kitchen. You can add a little candle to it. You can see this is very versatile, and it offers so many different options for so many different areas in your house. Make it for the holiday season as well. If you want, you can add some decorations to it. And now you're ready for the holidays. Another great feature about this is it's very easy to clean. So just normal wear and tear, any stains on it, all you're gonna do is take a damp washcloth and just go ahead and wipe it down, and those little stains or those little wear and tears are gonna just disappear. There are so many different options for this, so go perfect in any rooms of your house, but it's also a great option with Christmas coming up. It's a great option for the Christmas season to put underneath that tree. Go check it out, guys.